Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial video. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful butterfly locks using Brazilian wool and kinky extension. As you can see, it's very lengthy. Yes, so I'm going to be sharing the secret of how I made it using Brazilian wool. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Alright, so I'm going to use Brazilian wool, and this is my crochet pin. So to start, you have to first of all mat the hair. Alright, so because the hairstyle is lengthy, yes, you can see it's really long, so I'm going to use Brazilian wool for the inside of the hair. Now I'm using my crochet pin to install the Brazilian wool. This is what I mean. So can you see it now? So after I'm done, I'm going to start braiding using the kinky extension, starting from the roots. I'll start whipping. Now guys, when you are doing this, you have to be careful to make sure you cover the wool, the Brazilian extension that you use inside. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing clearly. Yeah, this is it. So now for us to achieve the butterfly look, so I'm going to use my thumb. So I'm done whipping the down parts. So right now I'm just going to put my finger. I'm just going to use the thumb of my left finger, put it under, and then whip on top of the finger. As you can see, look at what I just did. And I'll just whip in front of the head twice. The reason is to hold this butterfly gallop I made here, and then I'll gradually remove my finger and just braid under, whip under rather, 2 times again. You can do 3 times if you want, and you put your finger again, your thumb, and you whip the front twice. You remove your finger, you whip the down part. Can you see the butterfly? Now this is strong. The reason why I whip the front, the under and the up is for it to hold this butterfly look that is here. So now I'm going to do the third one again. I put my finger, I whip the front 2 times, and I also do the same under. It's easy, right? And it's very neat. Yes. So if you don't have enough kinky extension, yes guys, we know that everything is now expensive, so you can use this method. You put your Brazilian wool under the kinky, and then you do your braid. It's going to come out very neat and fine. So let's continue. So I'm going to put my finger again. Yes, I'll whip it twice on top here to hold it very tight, and then I'll do the same under. Yes, it's as easy as this. Very easy, guys. So I'm going to continue with another kinky extension. Just make sure, guys, that your head or the Brazilian wool extension is not showing. Make sure to whip it very well so you can hide the head and the Brazilian wool extension. Now if you want the butterfly look too full and messy, so you can just be creating the butterfly bombs anyhow you want it. You can create it as many as you want. Some like it scanty, some like it full. Anyhow you want it. If you want it scanty, you whip for a very long time or for some time before you create the butterfly gallop. If you want it messy and full, you just be creating the butterfly gallop anytime. So guys, this is it, because I want my own very full and messy. I want it to look messy. While making this style, guys, don't forget to tilt your hand back and front. The reason is for the gallop to be everywhere. Yes, if you want to create the gallop look round the hair, you have to tilt your hand back and forth. Yeah, this is the result. It came out really nice. You can try this on your dummy head and later you do it on your human head. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos, and press the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post new videos.